Hey second graders, welcome to Learning with M. My name's Manika and I'm a former mathematics educator. This is a part of my series Maths with Grade 2. And today we are going to learn number names up to 1000. Are you ready to learn with M? Let's get started.
Let's learn number names. But first, let's see if you remember two-digit numbers. Can you tell what's the spelling of this number on the screen? Awesome! The spelling of 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y. Perfect! Can you tell the spelling of the number on the screen now? 100. What's that three-digit number? It's 100. O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 100. Awesome. Let's move to the number names of three-digit numbers. Do you remember what I taught you in the previous video? When we have to read three-digit numbers, then we read the last two digits together and the first digit separately. First, let's see what the place value of each digit is in this numeral. The place of 4 is ones, the place of 3 is tens, and the place of 1 is hundreds. So when we have to read this three-digit number, then we read the first digit separately and the last two digits together. So what's the number name? Can you try it yourself? It is 134. Easy, right? Riddles with M. Which number is spelled with the same number of letters as the number itself? Can you guess? It's 4. The number 4 has 4 letters. F-O-U-R 4. Let's see another example. 309. How would we read this three-digit number? But first, let's see the place of each digit. The place of 9 is ones, the place of 0 is tens, and the place of 3 is hundreds. Perfect. Now, we will read the first digit separately and the last two digits together. So can you tell how we are going to read this number? This number is 300 and 09. Read together is only 9. So this number is read as 309. Let's see one more example. This numeral is 999. Let's see the place of each digit. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Perfect. So, how are we going to read this numeral? The first digit is going to be read first, and the last two digits are going to be read together. So, the number name for this numeral 999 is 999. Awesome! Let's see one more example. The more you practice, the better you get in maths. The place of this 0 is ones, the place of 5 is tens, and the place of 7 is hundreds. So, we are going to read this numeral 750 the same way that we have read the previous numerals. Do you remember how? We are going to read the first digit first and the last two digits together separately. So what's going to be the number name for this numeral? It will be 750. 750. Easy, right? It's time for practice now. Write the number name. The numeral is 580. How are we going to write the number name for this numeral? Let's see. First, we are going to see the place of each digit in this numeral. The place of 0 is ones, the place of 8 is tens, and the place of 5 here is hundreds. The first digit, like I said, is going to be read separately, and the last two digits are going to be read together. So can you tell what's the number name for this numeral? It's 500 and 80 read together as 80. Perfect! 580. Let's see one more question. Read the 3-digit number. This numeral is 861. Shall we see the place of each digit? Okay. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Now you have to guess the number name for this numeral. Perfect! It's 861. Match the following. We have to match each numeral with its number name. 457. Let's see the place of each digit. Ones, tens, and hundreds. How are we going to read this numeral? The digit in hundreds place will be read first, followed by the digits in the last two places. So, the number name for this numeral is 400 and 57 read together is 57. So, the number name is 457. That's the third option. Let's see the second numeral now. 574. The respective place is ones, tens, and hundreds. Can you read this numeral? 5 will be read first, and then 7474 will be read together. So the number name is 574. Superb! That's the first option. Good going, you're doing a great job. Let's see the last numeral, 745. The place of 5 is ones, that of 4 is tens, and the place of 7 is hundreds. So how are we going to read this numeral? We're going to read 7 first and then 4, 5, 45. So 745. That's option 2. The next question is, write the numeral. Here you have to do the opposite. The number name is already given to you. You have to write the numeral for the respective number name. Shall we try that? Let's go. 360. That's very easy. The numeral is 360. Didn't I tell you it was super easy? Write the numeral. 937. The answer is 937. Good job! See you in the next video. Bye-bye.